of the House is drawn to the hardship faced by the senior citizens who are beneficiaries of DSS scheme, as their monthly benefit are stopped in the view of various survey initiated by the Director of Social Welfare and findings such as age difference, high electricity bills, non-traceable, etc. Even after providing the necessary documents and compliances given by such beneficiaries, it takes long time to resume the disbursement of monthly benefit, making the senior citizen to visit the bank or social welfare office again and again to check the resumption of the benefit. Steps government to take in this regard. Speaker sir, स्पेशली आमचे जे एज डिफरन्साक लागून तेंची सर्वे अडकून उरलेली आसा आनी मेन म्हणटा ते हाय इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल्स हेज्या लागून खूब जाणांची जी स्किम्स आसा जी सिनियर सिटीजन ती स्टॉप जाली आसा. सो हांव मागता आमच्या मिनिस्टरा कडेन हेजेर लक्ष घालून बेगिना बेगीन रिलीज करची.